if you are a creator in Nigerian, you probably hear that you can't monetize your Facebook page directly, or you need VPN or a foreign admin in Nigeria. But here's the thing, in 2026 things have actually changed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the exact payment method and how I set up my Facebook page to monetize on Facebook, and what you'll be needing to set up your Facebook page if eventually you've gotten the invitation to the content monetization program, and how you are going to be doing it. So make sure you stay tuned to watch this video so that you can understand the process and how I am doing it right there and how I'm going to show you right now, because many creators have stuck right here. They don't know what to do, and that is how they got their page demonetized, and some people don't even make money while they are supposed to be making money off on their page. So make sure you stay tuned to watch this video so that you can understand the process. Hi, my name is Micheal, and in this channel I give you monetization tips on how to make money online through social media, especially Facebook and on YouTube. So if you are new here on this channel, do well to subscribe, and if you are returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my video. So let me show you the process here on my PC. Let's get started. Now, as you can see right here, here is my Facebook page, and it's not monetized yet. And before you can monetize your Facebook page, you actually need these key things I'm about to show you right here. If you have this criteria complete, then you don't have anything holding you back to get the invitation to the content monetization program. And some people have not gotten this thing because they don't know how to complete this thing, and they don't even know the requirement which they need. So now, for you to get the access or to get the invitation to the content monetization program, Facebook has recently released some of those requirements needed to get invitation to the content monetization program, and here are the criteria needed. And as you can see, the first thing they put here is to post at least 3 videos or 3 reels in the last 90 days, which is you need to post at least 1 videos on your page. If you create page and you don't post anything, you're not going to meet the criteria needed. You need to also be in an eligible country. Facebook is already monetizing Nigeria, so you can actually monetize on Facebook without any VPN, without any admin. And as you can see, you need to have at least 10,000 followers, and this is where most creators get stuck. Getting 10,000 followers is very hard, and once you get the 10,000 followers, your page is just going to be booming. But some people get discouraged because they are not getting the results they want initially. But I need to tell you that getting 10,000 followers is not a joking matter, but if you stay consistent and keep on pushing on what you are doing, you are going to reach the 10,000 followers very fast. And I'm going to be dropping the video on how to get 10,000 followers as soon as possible you start your Facebook page. And as you can see, another criteria needed right here is you need to have your page or profile for at least 30 days. So that means if you create your Facebook page today and you get 10,000 followers next tomorrow, you can still get the invitation because your page have not reached 30 days yet. Now, next one is you need to get at least 150,000 unique view. There's even between unique view and there's even between ordinary view. Unique view is when people watch your videos for about 3, 10, 30 or 1 minute long on your video. When people stay to watch your video, that is what they are going to be counting as unique view. So if people come across your video and they immediately scroll up, it won't be counted as unique view. So you might have 200,000 views or 300,000 views, but the unique view can also be 50,000 views. It cannot be counted to the monetization program until you have 150 unique views. So you need to start creating content that will let people stay on your page and watch more of your content, and you need to be retaining those viewers. Learn how to do that. Now, next one is you need to be at least 18 years. You understand? You need to actually be at least 18 years, which means if you are creating your Facebook page, that is where they determine the year, maybe 18 years or 19 years, anyone. So when you are creating your Facebook page, make sure you use reasonable years, because that is what they are going to be using to determine your age. And if you have this requirement, that is when they are going to actually invite you to the content monetization program, and you will start making money with your content. If you've gotten the invitation to the content monetization program and you're about to set it up, here are the things you need to understand before clicking on setup. The first thing you need to know is to understand the type of business you are on Facebook. Is it an individual business or a company business you are running on Facebook? So you need to understand these 2 things. If you are running a business, then you need to have your business documentation ready, and if you are only doing it as an individual, then you need to have your individual document ready. And the next document you need to have is to have your government issue ID. This can be any government issued ID. you can have it, is going to work for you. And the next one you need to have is to make sure, which is the most important thing right here, is to make sure you have your TIN, which is what they are going to be using to determine your tax. You understand? So if you don't have this tax, you can create your payout account and start earning, but you are not going to get paid because you have not added your tax. So you need to declare your tax. You need to add your tax information to your payout account before you can get paid on Facebook. And you can see right here, I've actually monetized this page right now, one of my page, and you can see here is what I've earned so far back in December. And because I've not added the tax ID number yet, I'm still here to finish this setup, and I am not going to get paid because I've not finished this setup on this payout account. So you need to have your tax ID number ready and make sure it's in good standard so that you don't have any issue regarding your tax. And once you have all these documents ready, you are good to go to start making money off on your Facebook. And there's nothing to do anymore than to start creating content. And once you start creating content, make sure you are focusing on how to retain your followers and let them engage with your content, because Facebook content monetization is actually a content engagement based program. So the more people engage with your content is the more money you are going to be making on Facebook. So make sure you are creating content that will let people engage with your content. So that is just it. It is what it is. Let me know if you have any question regarding monetization, or if you have any issue fixing your payout account. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to reply to your comment and give you the good roadmap to set up or resolve any issue you are having with your payout account or your Facebook page. Now that you have know how to monetize or what requirements you need to monetize your Facebook page, it is now high time to watch this video on how I teach how to fix auto dubbing, so that auto dubbing is not going to be affecting your reach or be suggesting your videos to wrong people in the internet, you understand, or to wrong location. And you know that if your video is in wrong location, like people in low tier country are watching your video, the RPM is just going to be low, because that is where your video is ranked. So watch this video on how I teach you how to set up your auto dubbing so that you can increase your RPM and your content reach. So let me know if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. My name is Michael, and if you are new here, kindly do well to support me by subscribing to this channel and like this video. Share this video so that other people can actually have value from this video. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.